I made more money last year in reselling than ever before using this one tool. That one tool is called Nifty, formerly known as Poshmark. I'm going to show you why Nifty is the one-stop shop for everything you need in your reselling business when it comes to cross-listing, having an automation tool, and now keeping analytics, including a spreadsheet for your business. Even if you have another cross-lister, you probably want to watch this video because you might take use in some of the items like the automation system that I'm going to show you. If you do get to the end of this video and it's something you want, make sure you click on the link in the description below for a 7-day free trial and 15% off your first month, and let's get right into it. Here we are on Nifty, formerly Poshmark. We're going to go to account. If you just signed up with Nifty, you're going to put in your credentials. So I just started with eBay before I cross-listed. I made accounts over on Poshmark, Mercari, and Depop. Nifty is also for sure adding Etsy here very soon, within about a week, and its plans on adding more platforms in the near future. I use these four currently. You'll enter in all your credentials on those platforms. Once you do that, you'll go over to inventory, and this is where you're going to do your cross-listing. Since I list on eBay, Nifty will import everything from eBay onto the website. Also, this website can be found, you can make it into an app on your phone very easily, which I use all the time. So once you've listed on eBay, you're going to click sync, and it will sync all your items in just like this from eBay. So all your items are in from eBay. If you only have Poshmark or only have Mercari or Depop, you can do the same thing, enter your credentials, load it all in, and then start the beautiful part of cross-listing over. And I will show you exactly how quick you can do that. We're going to start with a pair, or let's start with this shirt right here, this Brooks Brothers shirt. We want to cross-list it over to Poshmark. Simply one click of a button and one more click. So 2 clicks and you're cross-listing this item over to Poshmark. The price, the pictures, the descriptions, everything, the size over to Poshmark, and done. You'll do the same thing for Mercari and Depop. If you have those platforms, you can see just how quickly I can cross-list each item over to those platforms. Also, if you want to edit the item across all the platforms, you can simply do that right here with the edit button. Let's say you want to knock the price down to $18. You can do that right here on the Crosslister. Let's head on over to the dashboard. I'm showing you in a really quick time how fast Nifty can be. Super, super quick. On your dashboard, this is the automation tool part that I talk about so often in my lives. This is where it's going to send out offers, it's going to do recreates, and on Poshmark, it's going to share. You can see it changing here in real time. It is sharing all your items on Poshmark, community shares, everything in the background with your computer off, with your phone off. It's sending out offers, it's recreating, it's sharing, and it's auto sales detection. I'll show you that in a little bit. But on Poshmark, you can see here, it's sharing, it's sending out offers, it's doing the follows, doing it all, as an automation system should. On eBay, Mercari, and Depop, it's also sending offers to anybody who likes or looks at your items. You can also customize how you want your offers to be sent out. You can see here, I have my offer set at 10%. You can change that to however you'd like. You can also include a personal message. For example, thanks for your interest in my item. You can even have advanced options. For example, you can include 7 days after your item's been listed is when you want to start sending offers. I can start that, or you can even do anything over $20. I want to do offers. So you can change this to include anything over however much you want. You can control your offers. Go ahead and save that. And now it's going to send offers 7 days after I list my items. So many little things you can do inside Nifty that are so nifty. So I showed you how quick it is to cross-list, how easy it is to set up your automation tool, sending out all those offers and everything while you are out listing, sourcing, having fun, or sleeping. It also now has analytics. Coming on over to analytics, this is your spreadsheet for your business. Everything you need for a spreadsheet is right here. Let me show you. Here's some orders. Here's one just from today, February 1st on eBay. You can see the sale price was $19.80. The collected shipping, it imports all that in. It imports the fees I paid on the marketplace. It was a promoted item, and you input your cost of goods for that item, and it outputs your total profit all in one place. There is not another platform out there that can do all of these things. It is a no-brainer. Also, I like this little tab right here called Insights. With Insights, you can see your best-selling items for the month. You can see, or for whatever. Let's do this quarter. So that's January 1st until now. I did sell a very expensive item in this quarter. You can see on this day right here, I sold an expensive item, but you can see how many sales you made, your average sales price, your best-selling platforms. You can see what items are selling the best in the category. So casual button-down shirts are doing well for me right now. Jeans, pants, sweaters, coats. It's that time of year. It's February. Your average sale price on each platform, your best-selling brands. It gives you all the analytics you want. You can even customize them. So your spreadsheet, your analytics, your inventory for your Crosslister, your dashboard. Also, Nifty tells you anything that's new for that month. So anytime there's new things going on, which Nifty's always adding new features to the program, it lets you know when that happens. One more thing I want to talk about that people ask me all the time. It might be one of the best things that it does. Saves you a ton of time and a headache. Nifty has auto sales detection. Again, with your computer shut off, with your phone shut off, it detects a sale. So as long as you come over to settings and have your sales detection on right here, if you get a sale on any of your platforms, Nifty will be able to detect that and take it off and delete it off of all the other platforms just like that. So you never have to worry about having an item sell on one platform and then selling on another. You don't have to do it. Let Nifty do it for you. That is everything Nifty can do in just a short amount of time. That's all it takes. Quick video, quick tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. Like I said, if you want a free trial and 15% off your month, use the link in the description below or go to surfsetfinds.com and I have your discount code there. I'll see you in the next one.